In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Salesforce. We'll be using Zapier, which is one of the easiest ways to connect these two platforms without needing custom development. The goal here is to create an automated workflow so that information can move between Salesforce and Airtable smoothly and consistently. To get started, first log into Salesforce. After that, log into Airtable. Then open Zapier, and if you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. Having all three platforms ready before you begin makes the setup much faster and helps avoid interruptions once you start building the automation. Once you're inside Zapier, click Create Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects one app to another. Next, choose your trigger app. This can be either Salesforce or Airtable, depending on where you want the automation to begin. For example, you might want a new Salesforce lead to create a record in Airtable, or a new Airtable record to create a contact in Salesforce. Choose the setup that matches the direction of the sync you need. After selecting the trigger app, choose the trigger event. This tells Zapier exactly what action should start the workflow. Once that's selected, connect the source account, meaning the app where the data will come from. Zapier will guide you through authorizing the connection. When that's done, test the trigger. This is an important step because it confirms Zapier can successfully detect the sample data it needs to continue. Next, configure the action. Select the destination app, which is where you want the data to go, then connect that destination account in Zapier as well. After both accounts are connected, you'll map the fields between Salesforce and Airtable. This means matching the information from one platform to the correct fields in the other. For instance, a first name field in Salesforce should go to the first name field in Airtable, and an email field should go to the corresponding email field. Take your time here, because accurate field mapping is what makes the automation reliable. Once the mapping is complete, run a test. This allows you to see whether the data is being sent correctly from the trigger app to the destination app. Verify that everything syncs as expected and check that the right values appear in the right places. If anything looks off, this is the best time to adjust it. When everything is working correctly, turn on the Zap. From that point forward, Zapier will automatically handle the workflow for you, helping keep Airtable and Salesforce connected with less manual work.